Hello everyone, so today I have a tutorial on how to check the graphic card you own. So let's begin. Right click on your mouse, go to display settings, go down, you'll see an advanced display button. Click on it. You can see here the display another property for display 1. So here you'll find out your graphic card that you own. I have right now an Intel R USD graphics. This is the graphic card I own. Now this is the graphic card adapter informations, the dedicated video memory, the system video memory, shared memory, etc. So this is how you find out the graphic card that you own. There's another way as well. So you just need to go right click over here, go to the device manager button. It's more simpler and easier. Go to display adapters over here, click on it. You can see the graphic card you own, that is Intel R UHD. Thank you so much for watching. If you find it useful,